Hello everybody. We're going to make a little sketchbook. It really can be any size you want it to be. I'm making mine out of scrap drawing paper, so it has good quality paper on the inside. And like I said, you can make it any size you want to. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to the Art Project. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. You're going to need drawing paper, a stapler, a ruler, an X-Acto knife, some cardstock. We usually have 18 by 24 drawing paper, and we cut it down to whatever size we need for whatever project, and it usually leaves us a lot of strips of paper, some that are as much as 6 inches wide and 18 inches long or 24 inches long. And so I'm using that it's really scrap paper to make these small books.
Wait, what did I say?
What are we gonna be doing?
What are we gonna be doing?
So glad you asked. We're gonna make books.
Yay.
All right, count out 5 pages. Five pages will make
Okay.
a 10-page book,
Okay.
or 20 pages if you count front and back. Carefully and accurately fold them in half as beautifully as you can. Increase them. And then take a marker or something like this and press against the fold. This is like a bone folder. Here, you can use that one.
Oh,
Real hard.
my turn.
Like
Please.
you're ironing it down. There you go.
Did that.
Then everybody gets a blue sheet, which we will also fold in half. And then you put it around your signature. One of these is called a signature.
No, wait, all the way where it sticks out.
That's okay, we're going to fix that. And then you open it up to the middle. And then you put it in the stapler. And you got to be very careful. There's a little line on the side. You see that little line?
Yes.
So you're going to put it in the middle, right underneath that line. Don't worry about the white, we're going to cut that off. And then staple and staple and staple.
Perfect.
All right, look, the lines on this table are made so that we can use them to like line stuff up. You may not all want to be in the same place at the same time.
Why?
Because I'm going to cut.
Okay.
And then on this up here.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so I'm going to line my book up on the back of it on one of these lines,
Yeah.
and the edge of it on one of those lines.
Yeah.
And then when I get it where I want it, I'm going to lay this over it. And on that line, and I'm going to hold it down really super tight.
Okay, thanks. And then cut it.
Cut it right on the edge of the ruler.
That is sharpest X-Acto.
That is. I'm surprised it worked that good.
Whoa.
Then I'm going to turn it. I'm going to line this up on one of those lines and this up on one of those lines. And then I'm going to put this ruler on that line. And then
Oh my gosh. World's sharpest.
you've got to put enough of it out here that you can cut on it, and not so much that you're cutting too much of the book off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's but anyway, all right. Now it's y'all's turn. So trimming the book is not necessary, but it really does make it look clean. It will get rid of the white edges of the paper that are sticking out beyond the cover. But it also takes a lot of practice. I've been doing it for a while, and I can hold down the ruler in the right place with the right amount of strength and use a sharp blade to cut the pages nice and perfect. But with students, it usually takes a while. But if you don't start, you don't learn. So do the best you can.
I didn't even get to do it yet.
We're going to come back to you in just a second. Watch this. There are three different sizes.
Oh.
Around the edges.
Which size would you like? Or do you want to even round the edges? I'll round mine.
I do.
I'll do it on mine. Now, there is a trick. There's a catch to this. If you do it, sometimes
One at a time.
it doesn't cut right.
Love
That's why mine, like this one, you see how it's got like some uneven edges? So every time you do this, and I was doing like 2 pages at a time, every time you do it, make sure that you really kind of make sure that it's in there the right way, like wiggle it around a little bit and make sure it's square. There.
Okay.
Right. This.
Can you reach it? Get on a chair. Get on a chair. It's like a wasp.
Back of the hand?
Is it dead?
No.
Stop trying to put it near me. You're crushing it. Hold on, it's not focusing. There it is.